Okay, so today, it's starting today. We could see higher volatility coming in for the newly listed companies. Now, why is that so? Because the 30-day lock-in period and anchor investor lock-in period, which you see, that is ending. Now, what does this mean? When the 30-day lock-in period ends, so the anchor investor, whatever, their holdings are, they could sell that holdings. Now, there is obviously, that could create some pressure because normally they have a higher amount of holdings also coming in. So, surely that could create some pressure, some volatility, selling pressure we could see coming in for these stocks. Now, which are these stocks? Now, this week, starting today, we do have Nykaa, which is ending its anchor investor. Then we do have Fino Payments, which is tomorrow, as well as SJS Enterprises on 10th of December. So surely these three big companies coming in this week. And other than that, overall in this month, we have, if you count including these three, there are 10 of these companies which will be ending their lock-in period. So surely these new listed companies are going to be facing the test of the anchor investors as well. We'll have to see how they actually perform in trade as well. So Nykaa, Bazaar, SJS Enterprises, Paytm, 6 other companies could be the ones which could be facing heightened volatility as well. Now, out of this, there are 4 stocks when you look at it, which are where the anchor investment is more than 10%. Now, 10% more than 10%. Which will be ending in this month. So these 4 names are Bazaar, that is SJS Enterprises, Sapphire Foods, as well as Go Fashions, where the investment is more than 10% of the anchors. So surely that is something that we will be keeping an eye out on as well. Now, this is especially coming in at a time when we've seen a lot of volatility coming in our markets as well. The investors' sentiments, when you look at it, that is a bit rattled as well, because of the new variant we've seen coming in, the Omicron variant has created some sort of a fear globally as well. And we've seen a lot of movement coming in. Suddenly the market's on the red and they're moving to the green. So that volatility maybe could impact these stocks volatility as well, selling pressure especially building in on these stocks as well. Now, when you look at it, Edelweiss Alternative Research also has come out with a report, and they have said that there are 41 issuances this year, and out of that, when you look at it, 76% of these issuances have faced selling pressure on the lock-in period ending opening dates for anchor investors, and this is with an average decline of around 2.6%. So surely it will be very, very interesting to see how these companies actually perform today, whether Nykaa will actually manage to sustain the gains, or will we see selling pressure coming in on these stocks. Are going to be interesting to see how they perform in a trade. And I'm just going to list out the names for y'all. Starting today, we have Nykaa, Fino Payments, SJS Enterprises, PB Fintech, Sigachi Industries, 197 Communications, Sapphire Food, Latent View, Tarson Products, as well as Go Fashions, where this month all these companies will be ending their lock-in period. So surely keep an eye out on all these stocks. Starting today, Nykaa is going to be in focus.